Today I'm gonna teach you a craft. It's a very easy craft and it's called the rainy day. Here I already made two by myself. My first one. And here is my second one. At the end of this video, your one will also look like this. So, I'm gonna tell you the materials. A ruler, a scissors, a glue, a pencil, and some platinums. And you will also need 3 circles of different colors. I already cut the color papers into circles. 3 circles. And I got a blue sheet of color paper. So, the first thing we are gonna do is bend our circle. Now let's do the same thing to all of them. Like this. So, now we are gonna cut the middle of the circle. We're gonna take our scissors and cut it. Like this. We're gonna do the same thing to the other toes. Now we are gonna bend the color papers like this, but make sure you do it corner to corner. Like this. Now let's do the same thing to the others. And here we are gonna draw the handle of the umbrella. We will need a ruler. We are gonna do it into the center. I'm gonna use a pencil first. Now I'm gonna make it darker with my black platinum. Now we are gonna glue the parts where we cut out them. First, we are gonna glue one part. Now we're gonna glue another piece. Now, here is an umbrella. Now we're gonna do our little raindrops. Finally, it look like this. Now you can draw anybody under your umbrella. I'm gonna draw me and my grandmother. In this one I draw me and my little brother. In this one I just draw my dad and my mother. So let's get working. hope you can decorate your house beautifully. And thank you for doing this craft with me. Please subscribe me and don't forget to click the bell button below. Bye.